Start with problem set 2, question number 10. This question is little bit hard, but if you will try to understand each and everything properly, that time you will solve this example very easily. So the example is, find the quadratic equation. You have to find out the quadratic equation such that roots are square of the sum of the roots and the square of the difference of the root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 2 into p plus qx plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Means whatever be the roots of this equation, square of the sum of the roots and the difference of the square of the difference of the roots are the roots of the required quadratic equation. Means from this quadratic equation you have to frame the new quadratic equation, but the square of sum of the root of this equation and the difference of the square of the difference of the root of this equation are the roots of the required quadratic equation. Means required quadratic equation has the roots, and that roots are the sum of the square of the sum of the roots of this quadratic equation and the difference square of the difference of the roots of this quadratic equation. So I will say that I will consider this 2x square plus 2 into p plus qx plus p square plus q square is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When I will compare with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that time a is equal to 2 will come, b is equal to 2 into p plus q will come, and c is equal to p square plus q square will come. Means these are the values of a, b, c. Then you have to find out the sum of the root and the difference of the root, because sum of the square of the sum of the roots and the difference square of the difference of the roots are the roots of the required quadratic equation. So for that, first of all I will find out sum of the root. Sum of the root is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a minus b, value is 2 into p plus q upon 2. You have to write this 2 at that time minus p plus q is the sum of the roots will come. Then you have to find out the product of the root. Product of the root is equal to c upon a. When value of c is p square plus q square upon value of a is 2. From that we are getting the sum of the root and product of the root. But the roots of the required quadratic equation is alpha plus beta bracket square and alpha minus beta bracket square, because this one is the square of the sum of the root and the square of the difference of the root. So if these are the roots of the required quadratic equation, at that time this is the one root of the required quadratic equation and this one is the another root of the required quadratic equation. From that you have to say that required quadratic equation is x square minus, we are saying that sum of the root, this is one of the root of the required quadratic equation, this one is alpha plus beta bracket square plus alpha minus beta bracket square into x plus this is the product of the roots, means alpha plus beta bracket square into alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to 0. Then you have to, we have this value of alpha plus sum of the root. We have to find out the value of the difference of the root. If you want to find out the square of the difference of the root, at that time we have the identity alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to, already we proved in previous examples this identity, alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 4 into alpha into beta. So here you have to put the values of sum of the root and product of the root. At that time sum of the root is minus of p plus q bracket square minus 4 into alpha into beta, value is p square plus q square upon 2. Here you have to do the square, minus square is always plus, so this minus p plus q square is plus p plus q bracket square, this 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 you have to do. At that time this become 2 into p square plus q square. You have to use the identity a plus b bracket square. Here p plus q bracket square is equal to p square plus 2pq plus q square. You have to multiply it by minus 2. After multiplying by minus, the signs will change. This will come minus 2p square minus 2q square. Collect the terms of the p square, collect the term of the q square. You have to write together. P square minus 2p square is equal to minus 1p square. 2pq as it is you have to write. Plus q square minus 2q square is equal to minus 1q square. So required quadratic equation is minus minus p square plus 2p cube minus q square